Good morning students. Today we are going to start chapter 18 wastewater story. In wastewater story we start from sewage. Sewage is a wastewater that is carried out in sewers. This is dirty wastewater. How many types of sewage? First one is domestic sewage, commercial sewage, industrial sewage, rainwater sewage. First one is domestic sewage. It is a wastewater from kitchen, sink, wash basin, bathroom. Second one, commercial sewage. It is the wastewater leased by shops, office, school, hospital. And next one is industrial sewage. It is the wastewater leased by industries. And it contains poisonous chemicals. Next is rainwater. Rainwater flows under the ground and it contains soil particle, organic compound and many others. Now we discuss harmful effects of sewage. First one is spreading of diseases. Harmful, the stagnant sewage acts as a breeding of ground flies, mosquitoes and other insects. So these can become cause of infectious diseases like diarrhea, cholera, jaundice and other ones. Next is water pollution. Water pollution is a contamination of water by harmful substance and germs. And the next one is eutrophication. Eutrophication means the enrichment of water bodies that stimulates the growth of aquatic plants like algae. And in this type of water there is depletion of dissolved oxygen. And the next one is wastewater treatment plant. We can also say it WWTP. Wastewater treatment plant is also called WWTP. In this first one is primary treatment. Primary treatment, secondary treatment, tertiary treatment. In first there is screening. In screening there is using bar screens to remove large cans. And the next one is grit and sand removal. In this the grit and sand is removal is used to allow the sand grit pebbles to settle down. And the next one is primary sedimentation. In the second secondary treatment there is used aeration. First one is aeration. Aeration means it provide oxygen to help aerobic bacteria to grow rapidly in the water. And the second is secondary sedimentation. In secondary sedimentation there is activated sludge and it can be used for several aerobic bacteria to settle down. And the next is treatment. Tertiary treatment we use chemicals like chlorine, ozone before discharging into the river. Now you can understand with the help of a diagram. Firstly you can see when the wastewater sewage is coming, firstly we use screening. Here is bar screen, it can remove the solid waste. And the next is grid and sand removal tank. In this tank there is sand is sitting down at the water. And next is primary sedimentation tank. In this sludge is solid waste is settled down at the tank and we use this for producing biogas. Biogas digester is also called. It is used to produce electricity. And the next is this one is secondary treatment. In secondary treatment first is aeration tank, and in this tank there is used aerobic bacteria. And the second one is secondary sedimentation tank. In this tank activated sludge is used. These activated sludge also used for the producing of biogas. And the last tank, this is the tertiary treatment. In this we use chlorine or ozone before discharging into the sea. That are also called chlorination tank. I hope you understand it clearly with the help of diagram. And the next is alternative arrangement for sewage disposal. These we can dispose sewage with the help of wastewater treatment, but some sewage disposal we can use. Number one, septic tank. Septic tank is used septic tank is used for the help of a diagram. You can understand it clearly. It is used to removal of household wastewater. First one is when household, these are the used for household sewage, and in this there is a septic tank. In this tank wastewater coming down in the ground, and it is covered with the sewage, and after that there is a outlet pipe. It is used when this septic tank is overflow. After that this outlet pipe goes water into the ground. And the next is biogas plant. In biogas plant, biogas is used for a mixture of four gases: methane, hydrogen, carbon dioxide and hydrogen sulfide, and we can use it easily for sewage disposal. And the last one is verming composting toilets. In India there is a human excreta is treated with the earthworm. That's why it can treat it clearly and converted into worming cakes.